almost going all the way up. I stand back here a little bit. Whoa! Look at you go! It's going up and down. This is called a carousel or a merry-go-round. It's fun, isn't it? This is the last time, then we gotta get off. You're riding a zebra. Yes, you are. That's a wolf next to you, isn't it? And back there's a gorilla. What are you riding? What are you riding? Zebra. Yeah. Your hair's blowing in the wind.